Tried something different this time. I've taken the screen off and using the external microphone which I've tucked inside the windjammer of the Intercom's microphone, so that's sitting behind that, sort of out the wind. We'll see how that works anyway. So we'll try this idea with the open face. See how we get on. I'll take the screen off so I'll get maximum wind effect against the boom mic. It can only get better from there if I put the screen on. But ideally I only got the screen because when we go touring it's going to save a load of hassle, a load of discomfort, and you know, if you're going a long journey, that's what you want. I'm going to get some petrol now because we're in the red. We're back on the chest mount, of course, so we'll see what... I didn't like the helmet view, to be honest. It didn't suit the feel of my videos anyway. I think I sort of like to give that impression that if you watch one of my films, it feels like you're on the bike, and instead of just seeing what safety checks I'm doing, etc. So you're basically coming for a ride with me, you know. Mandy's been out and done her 6-mile walk. Well, she did 3 of it, but it'll make no difference. She'd had enough by then, I think. She got hailed on and rained on, and she said she's just fed up, so she's raised a bit of money for that. One thing struck me about fuel prices and motorcycling, because you're not putting so much in your tank, do you still shop around for petrol, or does it matter? You know, basically if I need petrol I'll just fill up anywhere, as long as it's not 10p a litre more. I'm happy to fill up anywhere, but I know where I'm going to fill up now. They're not the cheapest, but they're pretty easy to get to, and I was going to say there's a McDonald's next door, but I better not. Mrs. will scream at me if I have a McDonald's. I don't know whether there's anything going on today or not. I've heard quite a few bikes on the road from home screaming up the dual carriageway there, but I've not seen anything on. Yeah, I hope this mic's alright anyway. It's still very windy, the wind noise is pretty terrible. Just got slapped in the face by the wind of that bloody lorry. Right, here we go then. Petrol time.